أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start another surah. So before starting, if you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Inshallah, you will get all the notifications. Now we start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم سورة الكوثر مكية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك إنا أعطيناك الكوثر كوثر. So here in the first place there is noon is coming with shad sign on it. So we already read that if noon and meme both letters come with shad sign, we make always gunna there. That's why we make gunna here on the noon. And here is alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha sign, and you can see there is a small mad sign which is madde munfasil. After the madda letter there is hamza which is coming in the beginning of the next word. Inna is the one word, a'tayna is the second word. So the madda letter is in the end of the first word. Like after the madda letter, hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. At that time, which mad you will see there, that mad will be madde munfasil. So we long madde munfasil almost 3 to 4 seconds. So we say here in on the in we make gunna in, and then we long here inna a'tay. This twa we did in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Ya is a lean, ya has a sukun sign, there is fatha on the before letter, so we read softly here. Noon we long due to standing fatha on it, and kaf we read in light sound kal, cow. Here is also waw lean, waw is coming with sukun sign on it, and there is fatha on the before letter, so we also read here softly. And when we stop here, so this ra will be bold, because we say thar, and the rule is that if ra comes with sukun sign on it and you find fatha sign on the before the ra, so at that time we read ra in heavy sound. So we say kawthar. Now we say all together inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. The next, fasalli fasalli lirabbika lirabbika wanhar wanhar. So in the fasalli there is sad which is in green color, so we read this sad in heavy sound. After that fasalli li rabbika, this ra also we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on the ra. And wanhar, here is noon sakin is coming, so after the noon sakin the next letter is ha, so we make izhar here, and that is called izhar halaqi. So we read the noon sound clearly here, we do not make gunna. So we say one har, and ra also we read in heavy sound due to sukun sign on the ra, and on the before letter you are looking fatha sign. So the rule is when ra comes with sukun sign, and if you find fatha sign on the before the ra, at that time ra will be bold. So we say one har. And now we say again فصل لربك وانحر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر. So in the inna there is noon again coming with shad sign on it. We make gunna sound here. Like gunna means make the nasalization sound, and the sound goes into our nose, and we spread the sound of noon into our nose. Inna, so that is called gunna. Shani'aka, sha shin we long due to alif madda here. Alif is coming after fatha sign. Shani'a, hamza sound, make sure to read correctly. Do not say ha sound or any other letter like ain sound. Shani'aka, aka not shani'a, a sound, right? Shani'aka, this kaf also read in light sound. Huwal, the ha is there, so ha sound read uwal, don't say, okay? Like hamza sound uwal, it is huwal with the ha sound. If you don't know about the makharij of Arabic letters, like the articulation points of Arabic letters, so please watch my tutorial on the makharij. I put it the link in the description. You have to go there and watch that videos. Inshallah, it will be very helpful for you if you know the makharij and sifaat that are very important before coming on this lesson. So after that, huwal ab on the ba, this is blue color here. So on the blue color we make qalqala sound, and you remember already that if qalqala letter come with sukoon sign, and if the letter come in the middle of the word, at that time we make weak qalqala, and the ra we read in heavy sound when we stop. So we say abtar, and now we say all. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. And now we say complete. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Fasalli li rabbika wanhar. Inna shani'aka huwal abtar. So this is today's lesson. I hope you understand it. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. See you inshallah in the next class with the new surah. Take care. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.